Yeah, the night when I first night when I was in there, like I said, my mum had just passed away. I just buried my mum 2 weeks earlier. I was meant to go on holiday to Jamaica 2 weeks after that date, and my son was due like 3 months time, and I knew that I wasn't getting out for now because of what I got caught with and everything else. I knew I wasn't getting out for now. So that first night, it was just like a cascade of thinking of I'm not going to be there for my son's birth. Um, no, my son was 3 months old. Sorry, my son was 3 months old. Yeah, he was 3 months old. So I'm not going to be there for my son growing up. My children are going to be early teens, going into secondary school. It was a whole lot of thinking. And I suppose my thinking was just geared to when I get out, I'm going to have to do this. I'm going to have to do that. And it was nothing to do with anything good. It was all catch up now because I'm this stage and that stage, and I'll just be a bit smarter and I'll just do this. And while I'm here, I must meet some people that can feel me and unplug me. And when I get out, I've hit the big time. And yeah, it was that sort of stormy thinking. It wasn't to where even when I was at Thames, because I was landed at Thameside, I was at Thameside and I had a link, and I was doing things I shouldn't have been doing. And that was my new plan, to make money. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And funnily enough, is I got shipped to Onley. I had a good job and everything, and I got shipped to Onley from after getting a sentence. I got shipped to Onley, and that's where I got more depressed because in Thameside I was doing all right. I was like at the top of the tree sort of thing, and living my best life, so to speak. So when I went to Onley, it was like deeper into the system, harder to get visits. I was getting visits three times a week. I was seeing my son 3 times a week when I was in Thameside. Went to Onley, didn't get a visit. Didn't get no. I was there for just over a year, and I never get no visits. So it's like I've been sunk deeper into the system. I just got down in myself, and the thinking just got more erratic, more wild on, yeah, when I get out, definitely gonna do this, definitely gonna do that. But I just need to get to DCAT. So when I said, all right, let me go on Beyond Recovery because it will help you get DCAT, that's what I went on Beyond Recovery for. And what Beyond Recovery, the main thing Beyond Recovery done for me when I was away, which led me to on my way out, was I used to have this thing like before I come out, I'll be stressing and thinking, what am I going to do? Right, I'm going to do this. Right, I can phone that guy, I can phone that guy. But before all of that, every single time, it was, right, I'm going to go to job centre. I've got, because when I'm away, I always do qualifications. So I've got plastering qualifications, engineering qualifications, painting and decorating qualifications, bricklaying. I've got a drawer full of them. And every time I'll do it, I'll say, yeah, that's what I'm going to do when I get out. I'll get out, find out that the qualification I got ain't worth the paper it's printed on, and just end up saying, you know what, I'm just going back to what I usually do. So all the time before I will get out, I'll be stressing about what I'm going to do. But Beyond Recovery gave me this little thing to say, you know what, I can't control what's going to happen in the future. So just be easy and just know that you're not going to do, you're something in you tells you don't want to do what you used to do. So you must find a way. And it's that key thinking from like the day I got in until the day I got out that I don't have to do what I usually used to do. That doesn't have to be an option for me. And that alone just kept me, because there weren't really no tests in there to say, right, let myself go, just go with the flow and something will come to me. When I come out now, I've got to make the big leap and just know that something will come to me. And lo and behold, something came to me.